Namaste everyone and welcome to the fascinating world of the artistry of tabla. Tabla is one of the most versatile percussion instruments. Its application has a wide range of usage, with it being very widely used in the Hindustani classical music system, the semi-classical forms such as Thumri Tappa, Kavali, Ghazals, into its wide usage in the Bollywood songs, Bollywood music, also in the world music, and also in the Western music. It will not be an overstatement to say that tabla is one of the most fascinating instrument in the world, with its ability to produce electrifying sound. And one of the most amazing things about this instrument is that in such a small space and with these two relatively small sized drums, it produces a wide variety of the syllables, the sounds. My name is Kaushik Lahoti. I'm a tabla artist and the founder and CEO of Kaushik Dhwani Creative Arts Academy. Welcome to this video series on the tabla, which is intended to provide beginner exercises and exposure and some further information on the tabla to the beginner students. Although even those that have been learning for probably 1 to 3 years can also check the lessons in this series to be able to correct their postures, correct their bowl playing, and so on. Welcome to this series. Stay tuned for many more learning videos. Thank you.